Hello, I'm Céline from TechNature. Today we present this year at the In Cosmetics at Bangkok. We are a French manufacturer that does skincare and expertise in mask and hydrogel, mostly in peel-off and hydrogel mask. So to go further on the innovation, we have launched many innovations in 2025 this year. So I can show you many of our projects. So for example, this is our 4D dental mask. Yes, with our biotech technology. Then we have an emulsion IC stick. So we do solid products. And so this one is a mix of water and oily products that soothe your skin, such like this. Yeah. And then in the same time, we have launched perfume solid products for men and women, but of course you can custom your own perfume and fragrance. And the product that I really like is the transforming powder that turns into a cream when you apply. So this is basically initially a powder, and when you apply on your skin, it becomes into a cream. So really soft, that soothes your skin. Another one that has a wow effect is our evanescent patch, like this. It's a very lightweight formula that turns into a cream with water. And inside the mask, for the eye contour, it has already ingredients, so actives for serum, and then with the water, wow effect. Yeah, isn't it amazing? Then in the wow effect also, we have this mask, a sheet mask, and you can custom your own brand on it. So write your name here, and then with the heat of your skin, the written turns into a colorful written text. Yeah, so basically it's black and then it turns to colorful. That's it. And this year, mostly, we have recently won a prize, a trophy innovation about this product, which is a hydrogel that calls Time Reveal Mask. And what does it reveal? It's very fragile, so within 2 hours or 30 minutes as well, this opaque white open mask turns into a translucid color. So totally disappear and translucid. So you have to wait 2 hours of it or 30 minutes. And then in another innovation is our purse. So we have different size, but this is for premium serum or elixir as well. The texture is amazing. It hydrates your skin. So more for cream, moisturizing or anti-aging as well. This is, for example, our cream that we call caviar, because inside you can see some pearls. So here, and we can custom the pearls into different colors. So this is white, but of course you can do black or any color, and the size as well, like this, and it turns into a cream. And I would like also to present to you our latest hydrogel mask, which is a malachite marble effect mask. So you can see the color that is totally amazing. It looks very premium, right? So we can custom in different colors, and the ingredients also already present in it. So yes. About this innovation, it's a liquid zip patch that, on the contrary of the anti-acne patches, it will directly dry your acne and your spots. So just wait a bit, and then it will dry during the day. Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon